Wow, this is incredible. Look at all the steam. I can't wait to try everything. Wow, that's amazing.
Many years of practice.
Yeah. I've never seen such precision. Can you tell me more about these?
These are local favorites, very fresh. Which ones intrigue you?
These look amazing.
Please try them, they are delicious.
Wow, those look amazing. Here are the Siu Mai. I'll take those, please. Thank you. Enjoy. Welcome to the best dim sum in Hong Kong. We have fresh Har Gow and Siu Mai. Wow, everything looks so... Wow, this Har Gow looks and smells amazing. Careful with the chopsticks. I think I've got it. This is incredible. The flavor is so fresh. Okay, this Har Gow is perfect, so fresh. And this tea, oh, delicious. Now for the Char Siu Bao, look at that texture. Wow, this is incredible. The flavor is just so delicate. Oh my goodness, that crust, it's so flaky. Wow. The custard is just divine.